Frank Curzio here with another live video, and it's titled James Altucher Responds to Seinfeld. James Altucher recently wrote an article in New York Post saying that New York City is dead. It was an opinion piece. He had no idea it would go this viral. And I wanted to get something out to you about it because I just interviewed him on my Wall Street Unplugged podcast. So sorry about the gear here. I'm just about to work out, but I've been light on Twitter today. I don't want to get something out to you guys. But it was very interesting because James had no idea this would go viral. And it went to 30 million people, more than 30 million people mentioned on some of the top podcasts around. There's stories read over and over again, and a lot of criticism he got for it. And I provided some really good facts. I'm a New Yorker for 40 years, just about, before I moved to Florida. Jerry Seinfeld's a New Yorker, so he went on 60 Minutes, and he called James a putz. James came and responded to it on my podcast. It's gonna be released. It's 4:30 now. It's 6 o'clock. Really great stuff, but it's really personal because James says I didn't know this about him, and I'm friends with James for over 15 years, and I felt really bad that he had his comedy club vandalized, his kids threatened, and things like that. And James actually said he hopes his forecast doesn't come true, but based on, this is a lot different than other times, but this is a really personal interview. It's a good response. I think it's the first response out there to this criticism. So I just want to give you guys the heads up. It's going to be a fantastic interview. It's going to publish in about an hour and a half or so, Wall Street Unplugged, iTunes, or you can find it right on Twitter. I'll make sure I send you guys a link. But yeah, really good stuff. And again, thank you so much for listeners. We get some really quality guests on, but I think you guys are really going to love this interview. Really, really great stuff. So as always, Frank Curzio, and I'll report back to you guys soon. Take care.